Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we'll be unboxing few of the best items available for us which we can use with our iPhone, and these are inexpensive items. So let's start unboxing them and check it out. I would also tell you the price along with it. So let's start that. So if you go ahead and see, these are the items over here. The first main item, this is an iPhone, which you know it is. And for these, normally when you go to buy items, it's very expensive. And people tend not to buy iPhone because of just that. But I've came across this brand name Umbrain, which offers various products for just iPhone. And it's a well-known brand also. Like the first item which we are going to unbox over here is an Umbrain power bank. It's a MagSafe power bank. So let's go ahead and remove the seal over here. So now you can see me removing the seal, and this will be risky because I have huge hands. Okay, but anyhow, so yeah, so the packing is good. It comes with the 10,000 mAh AeroSync power bank, and here it says Umbrain Alley. So the packing is very good for a power bank, for which I will tell you the price, and you will be surprised by it. Okay, so what else is available? Okay, did you do give a USB to Type C cable? Not bad. For any of your Type C devices also. And plus, we can just push this out from here. So this is the MagSafe power bank over here. It's 10,000 mAh. So removing this is not a big deal. We just have to remove this, and it has a soft texture over here. If you can see this, it is very soft texture. And the USP of this buying this is this has a kickstand. So let's try to open it. Let's see how the kickstand works. Oh yeah, it's over here. So that's how the kickstand works. So over here you see a USB uh, A to A port, and you see a USB-C port also over here for charging purposes. And this is the MagSafe charger over here. So I don't have a MagSafe cover still in the iPhone, but let me just check what happens when I attach this. So we are supposed to attach it like this. Give me a minute. So if you see, it does get attached, but it's not charging because we don't have a MagSafe cover still. So now the next item would be the MagSafe cover, which I got. I would tell you even the price for that. It's not that expensive. This is from Ego Attitude. It's a company for iPhone. It's a company for iPhone. So let me just go ahead and check that. And let me try to reduce the video length also so that you can see. Okay. This has the MagSafe thing over here. So if we attach this to this, it has magnets built in on this. So it just gets adjusted perfectly in this. So now what we're going to do is, first and foremost, we'll put the iPhone in silent mode. And we'll remove the cover because I did not unbox it till now, so I don't know whether it has a charge or not. So this is the iPhone 13, and you're putting it in the MagSafe cover over here. Let me just fix it properly. this is fixed now completely, and it's a blue one for the blue phone. I don't know whether this has the battery in it or not. It's not showing me that, but yeah, it does have the battery. It shows that it has the indicator on now. So let's fix this. And what you see, it starts charging. And there's one more advantage over here. I can just keep the phone like this while it's charging. And it is kind of bulky. If you see, there are three lights on, but you can just keep it like this while it's charging and you can just chill out. So that's the advantage of this. So let me just try this with the old cover also, because I don't believe that a particular cover has to be used for a MagSafe charger. So let's test it out on this video itself. So this is the MagSafe cover. This is the normal cover which I have. So let me try this out. So this one is on now. So let me just try this. Okay, the deal is it doesn't work. So you do have to need a MagSafe cover, and this cover by Ego Attitude comes just about sorry, it's Ego Tude actually. Ego Tude. I'm sorry for that. It just comes about 299 on Amazon, and you do can purchase it. And there's also a blue cover, so we'll just take this off, and we will go ahead and introduce our MagSafe cover. But this was a nice purchase I got, because without that you can't use the charger. It's as simple as that. And even the cover looks kind of neat. And do you see these rings over here? These are called as lens rings, which protect your lens. So now when I put this on and switch this thing on, the phone will start charging automatically. So that's one advantage you get over here. Okay, I did buy another thing also along with it. This is a normal say C cable which they are given along with it. We won't be checking on that, but let me see. Yep, it's a C cable. But I did buy a lightning cable also by Umbrain. So let me just open this. This is by Umbrain only. And this came just about 199 bucks. When you go to buy a lightning cable from my phone, it is expensive. But these people are getting branded. Umbrain is a branded company, and they do get nice cables and power banks for your iPhone. Now in this case, this has a C port to lightning port. We are just going to attach it to the port over here, and we will then attach this to our lightning port. You can use C to C also for your other phones. So let me just turn this on. And if you see, this starts getting charged. So it works both the ways now. So this power bank is, I know you do are waiting for the power bank price. I would go ahead and let you know about it. This power bank charged me just 1,800 bucks. And it's a MagSafe power bank. That's the advantage of it. And USB. So let me just clean this place up because I don't want it to get dirty. And let me attach this. So this one sits well with the iPhone. So that's one of the advantages over here. and it starts charging also just by a click of this button over here. Let me show you the button clearly by taking it off that. So this is the button, put your iPhone, attach it, it starts getting charged. So it's as simple as that. So I hope you did like this video about this power bank. It's from Umbrain. It's a MagSafe power bank which you're getting it for 1899 with a kickstand and all the facilities available. And for 1800, this is a very good deal which I can get, and it has a soft texture also. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog. Do not forget to subscribe and you do have a wonderful day ahead.